Good afternoon. This is Todd Horwitz coming here from the floor of the CME Group in Chicago. And as we continue to follow the euro currency, we're going to talk about the pain in Spain. And, of course, Catalana is having many issues, which has actually created some pressure on the euro currency. Of course, we do believe that it is near its top anyways. And I think that we're looking for opportunities to sell here. I think one of the things we're going to start to see here, though, is if we don't start to see the markets break a little bit harder, I think you're going to have the ECB is going to step in, and they're going to use that currency manipulation, that financial engineering, to push these things down. This is one of the things that we watch throughout the currency world, and of course, now that we've come off the 121 level, now we're in the 117s. I think you want to now look for reasons to sell, and I think we would call this a look out below trade. When we're watching these markets, I think our next target down on the downside would be 114. But after all, I think we're going much lower. I think we're going to go down to that 105 level before this is all done. Again, there's a lot of levels in between there. But for right now, we'd like to be a seller at 119, 120 on a rally. There's a lot of things going on here. And again, if you tie in the pain in Spain and Catalana, and you tie in that what the ECB is probably going to do, you look for reasons to sell. Again, we don't want to chase these markets down. We want to look for rallies to sell into. We want to sell into resistance levels that make it more profitable and give you obviously a much higher probability of being correctly. So we'll look for the euro to sell off. We'll look for it to go much lower. That's the way I see it. This is Todd Horwitz coming from the floor of the CME Group in Chicago.